Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The question is f of x is equal to 3 raised x minus 3 raised minus x upon sin x, comma x not equal to 0 is equal to k, comma x equal to 0 at indicated point x equal to 0. Now in this question, given f of x is a continuous at point x equal to 0, and by using that fact we have to find the value of k. So now let's see the solution. First of all, given f of x is a continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, by using first definition of limit, that limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f0. Therefore, limit x tends to 0. Now x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0. And for that purpose, we have given f of x is equal to 3 raised x minus 3 raised minus x whole thing divided by sin x. That equal to. Now f of 0 means at x equal to 0, we have given f of x is equal to k. That is, f of 0 is equal to k. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, we write 3 raised x as it is minus. Now 3 raised minus x can be written as 1 upon 3 raised x and whole thing divided by sin x, that equal to k. Since here we are using indices rule, that a raised minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised m. Now on cross multiplying in the numerator, we get limit x tends to 0, 3 raised x into 3 raised x, that is 3 raised x the whole square minus 1 upon 3 raised x, and also we have the term sin x in the denominator, and that equal to k. So the next step will be limit x tends to 0, 3 raised 2x minus 1 upon 3 raised x into sin x is equal to k. So here we use two rules of limits. The first rule is limit x tends to 0, a raised x minus 1 upon x, that equal to log of a. And the second rule is limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x is equal to 1. Now to get rule, here we have to divide numerator and denominator by x. limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1 upon x in the numerator upon limit x tends to 0, 3 raised x into limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x, and that equal to k. So therefore, in the numerator can be written as limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1 upon 2x into 2. It means here multiplying numerator and denominator by 2 to get rule upon we write limit x tends to 0, 3 raised x as it is, and into limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x, and that equal to k. On simplifying further, we get answer that log 3 for first bracket in the numerator into 2 whole thing divided by 3 raised 0 into 1 is equal to k. So this can be written as 2 times log 3 upon, now 3 raised 0 that gives 1 into 1 is equal to k. So here we use indices rule that a raised 0 is equal to 1, and therefore finally we have k is equal to 2 times log 3, or we can write k is equal to log 3 the whole square, or we can write k is equal to log 9. It means here we have k equal to 2 log 3, which is same as k equal to log 9. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.